So I'm going to give you the content now. We're going to go into 3 secrets that can double your sales in one phone call. And I'm going to start with number 3, the most, and work down to number 1, which is the most important. So secret number 3 is how to close your high ticket offers. Never, ever, here, this is what makes me what my methodology is very different, is never, ever sound like a salesperson. What does that mean? Don't get overexcited. I can be excited here because I'm on stage. You can be excited after they become your client, not before. Never get overexcited, because what does that trigger? Hey man, come on, get this product, yeah, come on down. That's salesperson. That's the used car sales guy. But wait, if you buy now, we're gonna slash the prices. That's, whoa, I don't wanna be sold, right? Don't talk too fast, don't justify your value. But I tell you, this is gonna be the best thing for you. If you find yourself doing that, you probably would already lose the sale. Don't use, I said this again, don't use traditional sales tricks and techniques, and don't try to please or chase your prospects. Don't be desperate. Don't make them chase you. If you've done your beginning process, the steps to the call properly, they will be chasing you, not the other way around. Make sense? Yes?
What do you mean by don't justify your value?
So don't justify your value. Like, how do I say it in another word? Like, don't say like, you have to come here. This is going to change your life. You have to do this. People all over the world have said it's the best thing ever. Justifying, we're the best SEO company in Vancouver. There's nobody better than us. If you don't come with us right now, you're going to lose out.
It's like a comparison game.
Yeah, it's just like justifying why, like, your value. I'm the best, right? Don't justify why the product's the best. It goes really to don't sell the features and benefits, right? So don't oversell those features and benefits, because traditional sales tells us what? To sell the features and benefits. Traditional sales. There's nothing traditional, and you'll see as we go through of what I do. People don't like to buy. People don't like to be sold, but they love to buy. What's the key word here? They love to buy. People don't like to be sold. How many of you like to be sold? How many of you like to buy? How many of you buy stuff just because it makes you feel better? You don't even know why you're buying it, right? Yeah, all the time, right? But if someone's trying to sell me, I ain't buying it. So don't sell them. And that's why I say you're not a salesperson. You guys are closers. You guys are deal makers. You get the job done. You guys are opportunity seekers. You create opportunities for your clients. You're in a construction. Sorry, what was it again? Renovations. What's the opportunity for your client? They get a brand new. Is it a home or is it They get a brand new home. That's great. But what's deeper than that? What's deeper than that?
They feel better.
They feel better. Whoever's doing is the man or the woman, they feel that they can provide a better home for their kids, a place for their kids to grow and feel safe, right? That right there is what's going to sell people, move people. They don't care about they really don't care about what the fridge is. They care about how that fridge is going to make them feel. That's that, and we're going to get into that. So don't sell them, but they love to buy. Prospects love to buy. Secret number 3. So this is huge. This is called what we call the psychology of pattern interrupt. And this goes back to what I was saying about don't be a traditional salesperson. Because as soon as you get on the phone and they think, oh, I'm going to get sold, they take a step back. Now you can break that barrier down, but that's just setting yourself up for a big uphill that you need to do. So how do you do that? Never get on the phone and say, hey, how are you? What's going on? That's a salesperson. When you get on the phone with me, it's, hi, Kayvon here with whatever it is, so with Web Friendly. I'm actually looking at your application you put in, on whatever it is. Is that correct? Very, very, like, one level tonality. It's not, hey, how are you? How's your day going? Good weather out there. Pattern interrupt. They're expecting that. So you be very, very just straight tonality. I can't explain it better than this. I have a hard time. You want to help me? Direct. Thank you. Just very direct. And it's not you being rude. It's just saying, hey. And that's how you position yourself. And what you'll learn is to be the true masters. If you can understand psychology, and here's the big one, and is understanding that you have to be an actor and actress. I want to jump on that phone really, really bad. Hey, how? Because that's my personality. I want to just talk about their kids and have fun with them, but I can't. Because I know that I will not get the close. And if I don't get the close, what am I not doing again? It's not about me. I'm not getting them what they want. So I have to act, even if I'm in a bad mood, I won't hang up, hey, what do you want, right? I have to, right? You got to understand that. If you understand pattern interrupt, so understand a little bit of human psychology, which I don't want to teach about, it's not what I do. There's a lot of books on it, right? If you understand how to pattern interrupt plus being an actor or an actress, you'll end up being a master closer. This is good stuff? Good stuff so far? Secret number 2, did you have a question, sir? No? Secret number 2, you need to show the pain. I was alluding to that, which I call the hell, and you got to provide them to the promised land. Your customers will never move if you can't show them the opportunity, and they'll never say yes if they're not in pain. So, well, how do you do that? It's not about your irresistible offer. I know, again, we always hear about the irresistible offer. It's not. If you're selling your services, don't diminish your value by saying, if you purchase now, we'll give you a $2,000 discount. If you buy 3 packages, we'll give you this. That is about the irresistible offer. It doesn't work. Again, it will work on the low ticket items, but when you're doing high ticket services and you want to position yourself as an authority figure, don't be doing that. When you when you buy anything high, I'm just thinking, like, if you walk in and buy a high-end car, do they give, like a Rolls Royce stuff, do they give discounts? No. It is what the price is. That's what it is. When you go to a high-end restaurant, do you have, hey, give me a discount? No, it doesn't happen. People will pay if they know the value's there. Make sense? You need to identify the transformation of the outcome, especially if you're doing coach and consulting. For sure, there's an outcome, there's a transformation that's going to happen. When you're doing the social media director, again, what's the transformation that happens for your clients is, you're getting their business out there for more people to see them, to more people to come through that door. So go down the chain. What happens when more people go through your customer's door? More money comes into them. What happens with that? You're creating an economy, right? They're putting food on their table. They're being able to create jobs for other people, right? You drill it down. So it doesn't matter what level you're at. You got to show that transformation. You got to motivate them and show them what that promised land looks like. So for me, an example, these people that are coming to this very expensive event, they're in pain. It's not like I was speaking to a lady today, and she's retired. She has very little money, and she has a big family, and they're taking her retirement. That's a pain, right? She doesn't feel like she's like that strong mother woman because she can't financially provide for them, and she doesn't know what she's going to do because she just retired a year ago, and they're already taking her retirement, right? So that's a pain. Well, what's the promised land to her? How is it going to feel to not ever actually worry about that and not worry about a mortgage, right? But that's what we call a financial pain. We're going deep down. What's the personal pain on that one? How are you going to feel when you can finally look at your kids in the eye and know, and this is what I truly believe, right? And know that you're doing everything you can as a strong mother, as a caretaker, as someone who's going to be able to leave a legacy for them. In fact, how's it going to feel when they see you do this? Do you think the environment's going to be better in the house? You're going to up everybody's game as their leaders up in their game? Do you see how that is? It doesn't matter where, right? Like whether you're construction, whatever it is, there's a pain. Here's the reality. Your clients wouldn't be on the phone with you if they didn't have a problem, right? So there's a problem they have, and there's a solution they want, right? And there's a solution they need, and they don't have that. How does it go again? There's a problem they have, and there's a solution they want. So you got to provide that. I'm screwing up here, so I'm just going to move on. I'll get it back. I'm going to get it back by the end of it. Basically, the end of it is, client has a problem, you have a solution, provide the solution for them. Make sense? Yes?
The number 2 and number 4 saying show them the outcome, but the last one saying don't give them the solution or right away.
Yeah, no, sorry, where was that? On the never solve the problem right away.
Okay,
So you can show them. You can show them the outcome. So the outcome is the result. So as a result of working or as a result of joining me, here's what's going to happen. So you're going to get X amount or whatever the result's going to be. But don't give them the solution. Don't say, here's what you're going to do, right? Because then you got to create the urgency. You got to, how do I say it? Does it make sense? How do I put this in words for me? You got it? Yeah, like, yes, make sense? Yeah. So I'm happy you brought it because this is huge. Like, this is very important. Is you want, again, you provide the outcome, but don't give them the solution. Like, don't give them the answers on how to do it. Does that make sense? Completely? Everyone?
Question.
Yes.
Just to rephrase it, so is it emphasizing, like painting a picture of what they want instead of emphasizing on what you can do or what like you can do to help solve that problem?
You just said it. Is painting, you said painting a picture of what they want, but the key is you're not painting for them. You're getting them to paint it for themselves. That's the true close. Powerful, very powerful. When you say something, it means something. When they say something, it means everything. Write that down again. When you say something, it means something. When your client or your prospect say something, it means everything. So if I say to them, oh, it must be difficult for you to not have your retirement plan figured out. It means something. But when I can get them to say, I don't know what I'm going to do. I feel I do not have my retirement plan figured out, and I am scared. That's way more powerful. Way more powerful. You know they're scared because you would be scared too. Hell, I'd be scared. But if I say that, it's not powerful. You got to get them to say. Make sense? Good stuff here. Yep. Eyes? See your eyes rolling? Up? It's good? Yeah, good. Okay. You know what? When I heard that too, I was like, wow, that's so good, right? The bigger the problem, the bigger the opportunity. It's what it is. If there's a big enough problem, just so if your prospect, if you can create, or the problem, again, they wouldn't be on the phone if there isn't a problem. So if you can create the opportunity, the bigger the opportunity, that's good. But the bigger they know their problem is, the urgency they are in, that is created, you can add, the chances of closing is going to be way much, it's going to be higher.